Hi, this is Ms. Sek. This is a video to watch before the live class. The live class is on Tuesday, May 5th at 9 a.m. This video is about exponential functions versus geometric sequences. So let's start with the same problem I always do in the classroom. Ms. Sek has $80. Her money cuts in half each day. So on day 0, I have $80, and then it decreases by, it is multiplying by half each time. It's cutting in half. If you look at the graph is going down, but it's not linear. It's curving down, which is telling me it's an exponential function. So the formula for this exponential function is 80 times 1/2 to the x power. Why? Because I begin with $80 and then my money is cutting in half each time. The growth factor is the number that's multiplying each time. So it's 8, it's the initial term times the growth factor to the x power. Let's look at this problem as a number sequence. When we write something as a number sequence, we don't start with day 0. We would start with day 1. We would start with the first term, and the first term is 40. So our number sequence would start here, 40, 20, 10, 5. You see, a number sequence starts with the first term. And in this case, it's multiplying by 1/2 each time. But an arithmetic sequence adds to the next or subtracts to the next term each time. An arithmetic sequence is linear. Let's review what the formula looks like for an arithmetic sequence. This arithmetic sequence begins with 40, and it's decreasing by 10 every term. So our common difference, D, is 10, negative 10, and our first term is 40. So this arithmetic sequence is A of n is equal to 40 plus n minus 1 times negative 10. Now let's look at the problem that we're working on. 40 is our first term, so that's our A of 1, our first term. Our common ratio is times 1/2. The common ratio is the same as the growth factor in exponential functions. So if we wanted to find the fifth term, A of n is equal to the first term times, which is 40, times 1/2 to the n minus 1. A of 5 is equal to 40 times 1/2 to the 5 minus 1 power. And when we evaluate that, we get $2.50. So I'll see you in class Tuesday, May 5th, 2020 at 9 a.m.